My name's Sheila Gates. I'm the Operations Manager at ACS Facility Services, and I just wanted to take a minute to brag about my team and how awesome they are at providing you the most sensational service experience ever. We do lengthy training with our techs in the spring and in the fall. We gather our entire team together and we walk them through every step that they're going to perform the service on your site. And we know, without a doubt, that they can perform everything we need them to do. We also have this awesome orange and black Harley-Davidson chip find that we do with our techs. When they follow their checklist nightly on your sites and do the services that you need done, when they find this chip, we pay them $5, blow them up on our app, tell them what a good job they do, and we also send you a $5 Dunkin' Donuts gift card. One of the reasons why I love our app so much is because it's real-time communication, not only with our clients, but also with our techs. We do inspections on our apps, we do team recognition on our apps, and we also let our clients know if there's any concerns that arise on their site. Thanks for listening, and thank you for choosing ACS Facilities.